hard for the weather, and it's very badly clouds, very gray, and more on this side. The other side is a little bit, not too much. The wind is very badly, and that side is more gray than this one. It's not. So we don't have enough thunder lights. That's the better thing right now. But if they come in the thunder lights, it's gonna be a big disaster. I hear a lot of cracks. And it's still very windy. Doesn't matter, it's hot, so it's coming down. Now look at the clouds. Right, this one is more gray than this one is a little not too gray. So this one is not too badly. That doesn't matter. The speed of this this weather is very bad. I mean, I don't know if that is 65, 60, 65, 70, 75. The windy is very badly. And horrible. It's not even started right now. It's a little bit quiet. I can hear it. But that side is more badly. I hear the train now. I don't know if you can hear it. I hear the train now. It's windy. It's coming again. I don't know if that side is going to be twisted when that this way. Look at that. It's coming out. I think so it's going to be started twisted because that side is the more badly side. One of the things that I was these days when I'm still seeing this weather like this way is when the bad people on this world are still destroying everything that we have it, for creating houses, for creating toys, for creating chairs, furniture, many things, you know, house, little tiny houses, for everything. Paper, wood. I have a wood over there. I was using it. I have my other wood that I was using it for many things. I use it for good reason, not for bad reason. But I feel so badly to use that one because I mean it is the natural thing. And there's a little bird over there too for eating or whatever. It's only a few ones. I think so. That's the black and white. No, it's a gray and white. Look at the bad grayness. Now it's coming very badly. It's not even started raining. It's just only windy. But if we have it windy, the raining is gonna be like a flood everywhere. And I'm very worried because I don't even see my daughter for many days, at least almost 2 weeks. And I'm very worried for that place is still abusing too much. Now look at the little twisty in the sky, in the clouds. A little twisty. It's just straight, but it doesn't even twist it now. That is one of my more heavy ones. I'm very worried for all this. I don't like to see the trees collapsing. Look at the clouds, they're not even twisted, but they're going very faster. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if the mile, because I don't have a detector for checking the miles from the weather, the wind. 65, 70 probably, I don't know, maybe. Or maybe 80, if I'm not quite sure, maybe 80, 85. I see an angel in there. I would like to see the angels in the sky or some figures in there, but I don't even see, not even one. What else have we got to see for this one? Sick? I'm not sick. I'm just only got the. I want to tell you what. Why I'm coughing so much. You're trist. Now look at the bird is gonna be right there, right there. You can't even tell. Funny birdie. Come down. No, it's having fun. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna start doing my things. The birds they're getting funny on this windy now. They cannot even flopping too much. I would like to have a wings for flying and bringing my daughter back to me right now. I would like to have a lot of things good in my life. Look at this shapes, and they're going faster. I can't even recognize what is that. There's another shape over there too. Oh, I hear a crack. There too. Oh, that was a faster one. And the cardinals, it's right there. The little tiny ones, right there, eating on the birdhouse, feeding. Well, another cardinal right there. Funny bird. That's a female. Well, I hope when I don't get inside, don't get in any bunch of trees that collapsing. I don't like to see the trees is collapsing or breaking branches or anything. I don't want to see that. I want to see all of them still alive. On this spring, they're coming out. Here more cracking. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Please don't fall out. Well, they come in the wind, they come in very strong, and they're gonna be doing some another collapsing thing. They make it to bend. That one is looks like it's gonna be falling. You have already some green on the top. Oh, I hope it doesn't crack it. I don't want to see cracking trees. Oh, look at the birds right there. The cardinal is right there, and the female is where is she? Is she there? No, it's over there. It's right there, and the cardinal over there, the man. Oh, now it's gonna be coming the sun. Oh boy, now it's getting dark. Oh. Now it's getting dark. Now it's gonna start raining. Maybe. Yeah. It's gonna start raining now. It's getting dark. Look at that. This is very gray now. That side it was a little. It was looking like the sun, and I know the snow is covered with all this heavy rain. I mean, heavy clouds. That's very heavy. Not very, not too much. Look at this. It's very gray now. Well, I have to go, and I have to go to the bathroom. Oh, you're gonna be missing something maybe? The raining? Something? Anything? It's a little twisters up there. Now it's getting more darker. Getting more darker. Now it's gonna start raining. It's getting more darker now. Oh, I'm tired still in here. A little bit more. Well, it's getting more darker. Well, if it started raining or not, it's gonna be very badly. But I think if it doesn't rain, it's one of the things that we are not gonna be having flooding here. But oh, you can't even see it. It's gone away. That way. It was a little shapy in there. Cannot see very well. Look at those. Just crossing very faster. Maybe 75 miles. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not a weather channel person. No, what's gonna feel anyway. Because I see some colors in the sky, like a little whip on colors, red and blue. There's some things on there. But anyway, whatever. I need to go. I will be to take another video next time. The last one, so I'm gonna go inside. Oh boy, I feel the cracks. Oh, I see something white over there too. Maybe it's a house over there. Oh yeah, it's a house is over there. No, it started raining now. But I hear a lot of cracks again. And my foot are getting cold because I'm standing over here with this cold and I'm twisting my foot. I don't even haven't got the shoes because it's not too cold. Well, I have to go. Anyway, see you next time.